Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 26, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 26, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, May 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 26, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 27 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Sunday, May 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 26, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.